Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to update the Geeni app on your Android. Updating ensures your smart devices run smoothly and securely, so let's get started. So first, open the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to your search engine and type Geeni. Locate the official app and tap on it. If there's a new version available, you will see a button that says update. Tap it, the app will begin downloading the latest version. If it says open instead, that means your app is already up to date. And that's it. You will now be able to update your Geeni app. You can open it and start using all the latest features and bug fixes. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you need more tutorials on smart home apps like Geeni. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.